Welcome to this episode where we set the walls on our barn. Our material pile has gotten smaller. Now we're going to take our posts back to our barn site.
Here's a project within a project, making some arms for the tractor bucket. They're made from 3-inch C-channel, pretty heavy material. The arms are tall to carry sheet goods, which will come in handy for roof sheathing.
Got you some coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The arms also make a nice height-adjustable, diesel-powered work platform.
My mom put gravel in the holes then a footing pad. Check it out, the walls are angled outward. My dad wants to keep it outward, but we don't.
Cleats on the posts are cut to length based on a transit reading to achieve proper elevation of the walls and grade beam at the front.
Here's the first animal to cross the threshold of our barn. We finished installing skirtboards as the sun went down. With level skirts and grade beam, we are ready to set these walls in place. The walls are heavy, but we used Home's family power to get them in place.
The bottom plate of the walls gets set on the cleats on the posts. The sheathing that overhangs the walls overlaps the posts. Then studs in the walls get screwed to the post and it becomes a structure pretty quickly.
All the walls are done. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. In the next, we will be setting the trusses. Bye! It fell asleep on me.